Hey, I thought you were really hot. I was wondering if I could get your number.
No, sorry.
Oh wait, one sec. Sorry. Hello?
Hi there, yeah. This is James calling from Lloyd's TSB.
Hi.
Can you talk right now?
Yeah, it's fine. I can talk.
Okay, great, yeah. Just to confirm, 2 checks have now authorised in the bank account and there is currently £2.5 million standing in the account. Okay. Anything
Alright,
else?
cool. No, that's fine. That's all.
Alright, okay, thank you. Bye. Have
Alright,
a good day.
bye.
I just like spilled strawberry everywhere.
So, are you sure I can't get your number? Or?
Sure.
Alright, cool. Yes, please. Thank you. Cheers. Alright, take care.
Hi. I thought you were really cool. Can I get your phone number? Oh, really?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, shit. Alright, fine. I'm just gonna sit here.
Hi, this is Nick calling from Barclays Bank. Are you free to talk at the moment?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, that's great. I'm calling to inform you your last 2 checks have been authorised and your bank is outstanding at £2.5 million. Is there any other checks we'd like to do for you, sir?
No, that's fine.
Okay, great. Alright then, have a lovely day. Goodbye.
Okay, yeah, bye. Yeah, can I get your phone number now?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm really sweaty.
Sorry to bother you. Can I get your phone number?
No.
Just one sec. Sorry.
Hi, this is Nick calling from Barclays Bank. Are you free to talk at the moment?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I'm calling to inform you your last 2 checks have been authorised and your bank is outstanding at £2.5 million.
Yep.
Is there any other checks we'd like to do for you, sir?
No.
Okay, great. Alright then, have a lovely day. Goodbye.
Right, yeah, bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, but can I actually get your number?
Okay, yeah.
Alright. Awesome.
Smoking a cig and your Prince Charming's arrived. I'm here. What is your name? What is it? Where are you from?
Germany.
Oh, Germany. Oh, very nice. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. What do you do now here in Miami? Just visiting?
What?
You're just visiting down here in Miami?
Yes.
How do you like it compared to Germany?
Pretty cool.
Pretty sweet, right?
First day.
Yeah. I know some of you even like it even better because I'm not from here either. I'm from North Carolina. And I say, I'm leaving tomorrow actually.
Oh, okay.
So what I say is we have a little bit of fun. What do you say? You look kind of bored here, so I was thinking we go have a little bit of fun maybe.
No, I'm not bored.
Huh? Oh no.
No.
What do you say? A little bit of that good old sex. You want to have some sex?
No, not
What?
now.
All right, when? Tomorrow?
No.
When do you want to have sex then?
When I'm home.
When you're at home?
Yes.
But by yourself?
Boyfriend. No.
Oh no. Well, forget him. I'll be the side dude. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'll be the side dude for you. And what I'm gonna do actually, so you know that I'm not joking, I'm gonna give you $500, and then you can buy anything you want. You came from Germany for a reason. Yeah. That's yeah. Oh, do you want to go? Well, actually, okay. Then look, fine. I know the flights to Germany can be expensive, so I'm gonna give you. I got $2,000 right here. You see that? Look, just touch it.
No.
Oh no, I'm not saying touch this region just yet. I'm saying this. You don't want to. This. Let's try to do it in private though. But all right, so $2,000, and we go back. What do you say?
Yeah, it's really good.
Huh?
But no.
Oh, okay.
It's the best.
It's that you were too beautiful. There's not many girls. There's not many German girls that come here in Miami. So when I see one, and that beautiful accent that you have, I pay them usually about $5,000. So what do you say? $5,000 is my final offer. We could go have a good time.
Yeah, okay.
All right, let's go.